Most investors blindly buy SPY or VOO, but they could be paying more than they need to. Meanwhile, savvy investors are quietly switching to SPYM, an ETF that offers identical exposure while helping you keep more of your returns. Today, let's break down why this overlooked fund deserves your attention. Part 1. What is SPYM? SPYM, the SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 ETF, is designed with one simple objective: to closely track the performance of the S&P 500 index. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, SPYM gives investors instant exposure to 500 of the largest and most successful publicly traded companies in the United States through a single investment. The fund is managed by State Street Global Advisors, the same investment firm behind the iconic SPY ETF, making it a trusted and low-cost way to own the backbone of the U.S. stock market. Part 2. Key characteristics. SPYM was recently rebranded after previously trading under the ticker SPLG, but its investment strategy remains the same. Today, it manages over $160 billion in assets, making it one of the largest S&P 500 ETFs on the market. Its biggest competitive advantage is its ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.02%, one of the lowest you'll find in the entire ETF industry. SPYM pays a quarterly dividend, currently yielding around 1.09%, and follows a passively managed, market cap-weighted strategy that mirrors the S&P 500. As the index changes, the fund automatically rebalances, ensuring investors always own the 500 leading U.S. companies. Part 3. Top holdings. Because SPYM tracks the S&P 500, its performance is driven by some of the largest and most successful companies in the United States. Technology is the fund's largest sector, representing roughly 37% of the portfolio, followed by meaningful allocations to financials, healthcare, consumer discretionary, and other key sectors of the economy. Its top holdings include industry leaders such as NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase, Walmart, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson. This diversified mix gives investors broad exposure to the companies that have powered the U.S. stock market for decades, while reducing the risks of relying on any single business or industry. Part 4. Performance. Over the past decade, simply holding SPYM has generated an impressive average annual total return of approximately 15.2%. Since its inception, the fund has delivered an outstanding annualized return of about 11.3%. Because SPYM tracks the S&P 500, its performance closely mirrors the U.S. stock market. And while past performance never guarantees future results, the S&P 500 has historically trended upward over the last 100 years, making SPYM one of the most reliable and proven ways to build wealth through long-term investing. Part 5. Why invest in SPYM? There are 4 major reasons why SPYM has become one of the best core ETFs for long-term investors. First, cost efficiency. With an expense ratio of just 0.02%, SPYM is one of the cheapest S&P 500 ETFs on the market, allowing more of your money to stay invested and compound over time instead of being lost to management fees. Second, instant diversification. A single investment gives you exposure to 500 of America's largest companies across 11 different sectors, reducing the risks of relying on any one stock or industry. Third, institutional confidence. SPYM has earned a reputation as a trusted, low-cost investment vehicle and was recently selected by the U.S. government as the default investment option for the Trump Accounts program, highlighting the confidence placed in its long-term, diversified strategy. 4. Simplicity. Instead of trying to predict the next winning stock or constantly chasing market trends, SPYM automatically invests in the 500 largest and most influential companies in the United States, allowing your portfolio to grow alongside the businesses that continue to drive the American economy. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest just $100 every week into SPYM for the next 30 years, and it continued to deliver its historical average return of 11.3% since inception, your investment could potentially grow to over $1 million. If this video helped you better understand SPYM, make sure to like, subscribe for more ETF breakdowns and investing content.